This is all about textures, so I'm going to pop back over to my textures folder, and I want a little bit more room to work. So notice how I can move my cursor right over the edge here where those two little scrubby bars are. And I can pull this over because I don't need any more room than that. Actually, if we're honest, I don't even need to see any of this because I'm just looking at my textures. But right now, think. Some of these are landscape and some of these are portrait. The aspect ratio, whether the camera was turned vertical or horizontally, and there's a reason for doing that when you're taking pictures. But when we're developing textures, if these are landscapes, you certainly don't want to turn a landscape on its side. But for textures, it doesn't matter. If you click and then want to select another texture and you click, nothing happens. It's just you select a different texture. If you click and then hold down Shift, you select a contiguous selection of images from the first to the last. But if you click and hold down Command, you can click and select discontiguous images. Now I'm not going to go through every single image. I'll just click on these two right here. And the reason I want to rotate these is, hey, look at my screen. It's wider than it is tall. So is yours. Isn't that amazing? So wouldn't it be cool if we could just click a button and make everything rotate like that? And Shift Command A to deselect. And the idea is when we process these and then open them in Photoshop the entire way through, we're working maximizing our screen real estate. So rotating images when it comes to textures is kind of a must, and you want them in landscape. You want them wider than they are tall, and that way we work with a system that's lab wide, and we're kind of working smart. Face it,